All right, everyone, welcome back for another episode of On the Road to SEMA. In this episode, we're going to highlight the interior selection for our build this year. So for our selection for the interior, we wanted to go one of a kind, and that's something that we don't do here in-house. That is the only thing we had to sublet was the bench seat. We had it wrapped in an earthy baseball glove brown type leather, very natural type leather. This truck was on a farm for almost all of its life, and we wanted to keep it with the natural earthy tone. Very soft. We even had our gear logo stitched into the backrest. Aside from the bench seat, the interior was custom built in-house. The team came out, did the carpet, installed the headliner, and cut all the custom interior components here under our roof.
My name is Jamil Santana. I'm a student here at Southwest University, currently doing the Auto Tech course. For my first 6 weeks in this course, we fully worked on the SEMA truck, wiring, working on the dashboard inside the car, drilling holes so we can collect the wires to make it look nice. We had the leather seats installed and it all came out really nice. Looks very classic, old-fashioned, and it shows all the hard work that we put into this truck. The hardest thing about the interior was drilling the holes. The metal was pretty thick. We had to drill through rust, thick metal, the right diameter for the hole so we can put our screws in, our brackets, and make everything look nice. I expect a lot of people to like the truck. It's a great truck, classic. Everybody likes classics. Put a lot of hard work. The truck is 80% worked on by the students here at Southwest. Most of them were first termers, and we hope everybody likes it, has a good time, and represent our school.
Up next, you're going to hear from the upholstery man that custom built our interior.
Mi nombre es Peter. Estamos trabajando en esta troca. Somos lo que es tapicería general para todo tipo de carros clásicos o nuevos, trabajos en fina piel y su embroidery también. Hicimos lo que es el acabado en fina piel de BMW nuevo para un trabajo tipo custom, el bench seat, y hicimos el headliner y la carpeta. Ahorita lo van a poder observar en un momento, ¿no? No, pues el trabajo en sí es difícil hacerlo, pero pues se dedican 2-3 semanas de trabajo, ¿verdad? Estamos trabajando desde los resortes, desde los springs, hasta lo que es el new foam, fireproof, y todo ese tipo de trabajo es un trabajo que se lleva bastante tiempo, no es un trabajo de 48 hours ni 3 días, es un trabajo que es meticuloso. Pues la troca yo creo que va a quedar del 1 al 10, para mí un 10, ¿verdad? Porque estuve trabajando en ella, pero es mejor la crítica de la gente, que es la que te puede decir si tu trabajo vale la pena o no.
See you guys next time on the road to SEMA.